Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you check and remove your liked and bookmarked post from your Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Binance application, and after opening the Binance application you just simply have to tap into this Binance icon into the top left corner. And after tapping into there, simply select this square option into your shortcuts. Now after selecting a square, you will get to see this profile icon into the bottom right corner. Now after tapping into there, you will get to see this bookmarked and liked option directly. Tap to that option and you can see all of the bookmarked and like options into here. Now you just simply have to find out which of the liked posts you would like to unlike or remove. In order to do that, just simply tap to the like button once again and the post will successfully be unliked and will be removed from your liked section. Now in order to check, just simply go back and again open bookmarked and liked section, and you can see it is already removed. This way you can easily check and remove your liked and bookmarks from Binance application. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update.